Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks so much for being here. Today's video is only going to be just over 10 minutes. It's going to be jam-packed with lots of cleaning motivation. So a lot of times in our family, I'll turn the timer on for 10 minutes and I'll tell everyone, hey, let's do a 10-minute tidy, and you will be amazed at what you can get done in 10 minutes. So this video is just meant to give you that motivation and jump start so that you can tackle your own home. So let's do this. So this pile in the corner of my room is for donation. I just kind of set it in that general location so that I can pack everything together and then put it in the car and go. So I'm going to load it in the car right now so that it's ready to go and it's out of the way. So I just realized I don't ever really show me making my bed in any of my videos, and I think the reason why is I was always taught growing up to right when you get up and get out of bed, you make that bed. And so it's always made. But the rest of the house is sometimes a disaster. But one thing I have to do is always make my bed. So try it, because I promise if you make your bed, your room looks a billion times cleaner than if your room is spotless and your bed isn't made. It'll always look a mess. Plus, when you make your bed, it just clears your mind. Just try it. And there's nothing better than climbing into bed at night in a nice, freshly made bed. So just try it and let me know what you think. If that's the only thing you get done that day, I promise it'll make you feel better.
Say that you don't need me. You say let's take things slowly. I hope you realize you're playing with fire. I know what heartbreak feels like. I know I've shed some teardrops. I've been here before. You have done it now. Left me on the ground. This is it. I won't come back. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I've been left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I've been left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize, playing with the fire. Saying words ain't easy. I know you can't talk to me, but I hope you realize you're playing with fire. You were my one and only until you left me lonely. I guess you stopped to care. You have done it now. Left me on the ground. This is it. I won't come back. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I've been left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I've been left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize, playing with the fire.
I hope that this video gave you so much motivation. It was short and sweet and to the point, but I hope it gave you the motivation that you need to start tackling your own home. But I challenge you, if you have people that live with you, just set the timer for 10 minutes and say, hey, everybody, we're going to do a 10-minute tidy, and everybody needs to get involved, and you will be amazed at how much gets done in that 10 minutes. So thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.
If we don't stop.